Hey y'all, I got a new package today and I just wanted to share with you what I got. I'm really excited about it. It's called Unzano or Unzano, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's UNZANO PC Streaming Webcam. And it comes with a ring light. It's a little bit open already. I guess I was trying to do that to make life easier for myself. It was $39.97. There was a little coupon on the product description page, so I used that for like $3 off, I think. But you know, still about 40 bucks, all said. It has something really cool, which is called light correction technology that adjusts your video in like real time. So as you're using it, if you're in a room that's not quite dark enough or the light isn't very becoming to your complexion or something, this camera automatically adjusts to make you look better, to make the lighting itself in the room look better or clearer or what have you. I haven't actually used it yet. This is just stuff I'm reading to you about in the description that I found on Amazon. Anyway, let's get this out so you can take a look at it. I just got it today. Let me sit this down, see if I can hold it up for a second a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's upside down. Let's get it out. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's got, what is that? Oh, it comes with a cleaning cloth too. And there it goes. There it goes. Okay. It's really cute. Oh, I thought it would be a lot bigger. And it comes, okay, so it has a USB cord attached. So you can just attach it directly to, let's see. It's compatible with Xbox. It's compatible with PCs. Anything Windows 7 and above. It's compatible with Mac OS 10.8 and later. It's compatible with smart TVs. It's compatible with Android phones. Let's see what else. I don't think I wrote down everything, but that's the majority of it. There's a lot more too, but what's really cool about this is that it doesn't come with a program because you don't need a program. See, this is just like the usual manual, and I think we might actually have, what is this here? I think it just shows you exactly what to do. But yeah, there's no app you have to download. There's no, extra disk or anything that you have to program into your computer or your phone or anything. All you need to do is go to your computer's camera or your phone's camera. Once you plug it in, the directions say you plug it in, and then you go to your camera on your phone or whatever product you're using this with, and you click on your camera app. You go there and you're supposed to click on the rear facing camera. I guess that's supposed to be this description. And then once you do that, this is up and ready to go, which I think is freaking awesome because, in this day and age, I'm older, so I'm not so into like technology. I mean, I'm into it, but I have a hard time learning stuff now that I'm getting older and grasping the concepts of the things. But anyway, as I said, it was about 40 bucks. It does have a warranty also, and it does offer a warranty if you want it. I think it's like $3 or $4 more. Bought it yesterday. It showed up today. Amazon Prime. You gotta love it. And there will be a link in the description box if you are interested in checking it out for yourself. And if you're interested in finding out what I think of it, I'm going to use it for like a week or two, and then I'm going to give my final thoughts on it, either on my Instagram or my Facebook. Both are under Marcy Bratz, which is pretty easy. It's right in my title of my YouTube video. It's my channel name, basically. So if you're interested, you can check that out anytime you want to. And I just really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Thank you so much. I know you could be watching somebody else's video, but you're watching mine, and I appreciate that big time, just so you know. And I just want you to know that. And I really, really, really enjoy making these videos. So knowing that people are coming and watching makes me continue doing so. Please feel free to like or subscribe or leave me a message in the comments so I can say hi to you and know that you were here. And if you don't want to, you can do that too. It's okay. And no pressure. I'm pretty easygoing. I don't edit my videos because I don't really know how. I mean, I know it's not that hard, but I'm learning, so give it time, and in probably a month or two from now, I might have it together a little better than I have been. Anyway, in the meantime, check out this camera. You're going to love it if you haven't tried it out already. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.